So this is how you could double your traffic with just one click of a button. It's not software, it's just one click of a button. So like this button, like if on my thank you page or bridge page, if I have a button that says, you know, I want to bring them to the offer or wherever I want to take them. So I would configure this button like this, right? If I say I'm going to open Google on a new tab, or I want to, right? So in the same tab, I could open a page, or in a new tab, I can open it in a separate page. But right here, you see this advanced option. I can also open up a second page, right? So let's say for instance, I want to promote a ClickBank offer, and so I want that to open up on this same page, right? But on a different page, I want to promote a CPA offer. Right? So then I would say, okay, page 2. Right? So let me save that. Once I save, and I'm going to preview that. So this button is hot now. So now if you look up here, you can see a second tab will open when I click this. So there, second tab opened, and the page that I'm on says leave page, and then this will go to ClickBank, and then over here is a CPA offer. Right, just like that, very simple. So and you can do that. There's, you know, you can build on that strategy in such a way that, let's say for instance, like from your thank you page here. So this, I made this to look like a video. So I'm telling them, like, look, you know, come see this video, you know, and I can make this a button that will bring up a video like a pop-up. So I'll just show you that, and it brings it up like a video like this. Or I can also, since this is actually just a picture, I can make that go to a second page, or a different page, like I can make that go to the ClickBank offer. And say open that in a new tab, and then here I can change this. If I still want them to see the video, then I would just take them to another page where that image is duplicated. Say OK, and I save this. Preview. And then when I click this image, you'll see the offer opens up with a new tab, right? So it defaults to the offer, and that the person's going to see the offer, but then when they go back to the page, it looks the same. They say, well, what happened to the video? So, and then, but if I didn't configure, say it's no longer the same image, so let me reconfigure that. So do it again real quick. Save. Go back to the thank you page. Right, so I'm going to go preview. So when I click it, it defaults to the ClickBank offer. And then on this page, it goes to another page where this the image is duplicated, but now it's clickable, and what should happen is that now the video comes up. So they can still see the video, but then it would still take them to the offer. You can do that with basically any image or a banner on your page or a button. You can make it into a dual link, so it can link to another page or even another area on your page, and then also open up another tab or send people to the offer. So real simple, real easy. So the builder that I'm using to do that in, I'm using Builderall to do it, but I'm not sure if you can do it with ClickFunnels. I mean, if you have ClickFunnels, you can check, or Leadpages or whatever. And I know there's probably a plugin for WordPress that would allow you to do it. I don't know. I just know that I can do it in Builderall. So yeah, I only know that I can do it in Builderall. That's what I was saying. And so I'll leave a link below that you can try out Builderall if you want to try this strategy using Builderall, or you can try to figure out how to do it in ClickFunnels, or look for some code that would allow you to do it. So I think it's a pretty solid strategy to increase the amount of traffic. It's like doubling your traffic, or taking the same amount of traffic and getting more use out of it. So, but if you look in Builderall, and again, this is not necessarily a promotional video for Builderall, but the link that I leave below is my affiliate link. I do use Builderall, but there is a 7-day trial, so you feel free to try it, or try this same strategy using something else. And mostly I'm trying to convey to you the strategy, but the easiest way for me to help you utilize it is to say, well, I'm using Builderall, this is how I'm doing that strategy. But full disclosure, I am an affiliate, and I stand to make a commission if you join from my link and join Builderall. But that being said, there is a lot that you can do with Builderall. So 7-day free trial if you do take it, and you can check out the strategy and see how it works. Or you can try it with ClickFunnels or whatever you use and see if you can create a link that opens up 2 pages at the same time. That's essentially the strategy. But there's a lot of stuff that you can do with Builderall, but got to tell you, it's not something that they actually specifically said that you can do. It's just like, oh, figure out I can double my click, and it's just an option there. It's like, well, how could I use that strategy to increase how much increase the value of my traffic. I wouldn't say increase the value of it, but get the most out of the traffic I'm already getting. So if you're paying for traffic and you want to get just a little bit more out of it, that's one way to do it. And of course, like basically any image on a page that you have, any banner, like if I just put in another image real quick, like some default image that they have, then I can change the action for this image and do basically the same thing, right? So I can split up that view so that it will open in another page as well as in this page, therefore giving me two options that I can utilize in order to get the most out of my already existing traffic. So it's not magic, it's simple strategy. Anyway, that's my video. So if you're on YouTube, click the subscribe button and click the bell notification so that you can be alerted when I post more content like this on how to get more traffic and other things. So this is John Oliver. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.